Welcome, welcome! I'm excited to show you a no cooking hack for Korean bibimbap. I'm talking about ready to eat, guys. Get this one right here. Mine says seasoned assorted vegetables. I also got extra spinach because this is an easy way to get everyone to eat a lot of spinach. And also extra soybean sprouts. These are pretty lightly dressed, so I consider them a relatively healthy way to get the daily recommended serving of vegetables. This is lunch prep for a family of 4, 2 adults and 2 little kids. Get some rice and put it in the bowl first. You can go lower carb by using quinoa, couscous, barley, cauliflower rice. Have any of you tried shirataki rice? I'd love to try it. I got extra spinach and sprouts, so I'm just getting it out of the little containers, but the assorted vegetable mix in the big box is everything you need. Add spinach. Here's some zucchini. These are Korean zucchinis, which have thinner skin and I think are tastier. Here comes the gosari, fernbrake or bracken or fiddleheads, edible plant. Don't put the spicy stuff in for kids or for people who don't eat spicy food. Popeye would be proud. And go on doing that for everyone else. Place all the things in a nice, colorful flower pattern presentation, you know. Those are for the no spicy children's bowls. Let's move on to the regular adult style. Put everything from that assorted vegetable mix. Ooh, running out of fiddleheads. You'll see which ingredients are pricier because there won't be much of it. And add the spicy radish kimchi salad to these ones. The fried egg on top is just an option. This is pretty much ready to go.
Wow.
Guys, having children changes your life. It really does. Not always for the better, but different. A different kind of life. There are adorable moments though, aren't there? Moments being the key word. The eggs on top are usually better a bit runny. It adds a creamy liquid which will help mix things up better and tastier. But for the kids, I make them over medium so they have a littler chance of salmonella. And for the little kid ones, we're just going to season it with only soy sauce and sesame oil. It'll make it nice and mild. If you don't have the bibimbap veggie mix on hand, a popular child's meal is to just fry an egg, top it on rice, and season it just like this with soy sauce and sesame oil. It's called keran bibimbap, egg bibimbap, and it's a hit with kids. Watch out because the sprouts and even spinach can be tough to chew through, so cut them into little pieces for them. Safety first. Koreans use kitchen scissors a lot. It's actually really convenient. I pre-mix the kids' ones because it makes an unholy mess if I let them do it. Unnecessary frustration and mess. Ask me how I know. I'll tell you. Did it. Unholy mess. I pre-mix it now. Let's do the grown-up ones. Gochujang spicy red pepper paste. Personally, I'm not a big fan of spice, but gochujang is not just a one-note hot spice. It has fermented bean in it, and the flavor is really good. Oppa obviously needs gochujang. Like, there would be no point in bibimbap without gochujang for him. I forgot the sesame oil, but you would drizzle that on top. Eggs, sunny side up, runny yolk. Done. Dinner is served. No cooking, minimal dishes. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye. Till next time, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.